You need to hear this if you're a luxury travel enthusiast. Welcome to the Burj Al Arab, a dream destination. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the Persian Gulf, dining on gourmet cuisine, and being pampered with unparalleled service. This iconic sail-shaped structure isn't just a hotel, it's an experience, a symbol of extravagance and Arabian hospitality. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply yearning for a taste of the extraordinary, the Burj Al Arab promises an unforgettable journey. From navigating transportation to understanding local customs, this guide is your key to unlocking the magic of the Burj Al Arab. Are you ready to embark on an adventure where luxury knows no bounds? Let's dive in and discover the wonders that await you in this architectural marvel by the sea. And if you want to create videos by prompt, the link is given in the description of this video and also in the About section of our channel. Planning a trip to the Burj Al Arab is an exciting endeavor in itself. From the moment you touch down at Dubai International Airport, you'll find taxis, ride-hailing services, and even helicopter transfers readily available to whisk you away to your luxurious abode. For those seeking a taste of local life, Dubai's metro system is efficient and affordable, connecting you to various parts of the city. Once you're settled in, consider renting a car to explore the city at your own pace. When it comes to accommodation, the Burj Al Arab itself offers an array of opulent suites, each more breathtaking than the last. But if you're looking for alternative luxury options in the vicinity, Jumeirah Beach Hotel and the Four Seasons Resort Dubai at Jumeirah Beach are excellent choices. Stepping into the Burj Al Arab is like entering a world of unparalleled grandeur. Prepare to be mesmerized by its stunning architecture, lavish interiors, and impeccable service. The hotel's sail-shaped silhouette is an iconic landmark that has come to define Dubai's skyline. The Burj Al Arab is home to some of the most exquisite restaurants in the world. Savor a romantic dinner at Al Muntaha, perched high above the city with panoramic views, or indulge in underwater dining at Al Mahara, where you'll be surrounded by floor-to-ceiling aquariums teeming with marine life. For relaxation and rejuvenation, the Talis Spa offers a haven of tranquility. And for those seeking adventure, the Burj Al Arab offers a range of activities, from private yacht charters to helicopter tours of the city. As the sun begins its descent, prepare to witness the magic of the Burj Al Arab's nighttime illumination. Section 4. Navigating a new culture with grace. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, a vibrant blend of tradition and modernity. While the city is generally very welcoming to tourists, it's always respectful to be mindful of local customs and traditions. Arabic is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites or venturing into more traditional neighborhoods. Dubai is generally a safe city, but it's always wise to take precautions. The currency in Dubai is the UAE dirham, or AED. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's always a good idea to have some local currency on hand. Section 5. Until next time, keep dreaming. As you bid farewell to the Burj Al Arab, you'll carry with you memories of unparalleled luxury, warm hospitality, and a glimpse into a world of extraordinary experiences. Ready to experience luxury like never before? Start planning your dream trip to the Burj Al Arab today. For more travel inspiration and tips for exploring the wonders of the UAE and beyond, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy travels, and until next time, keep dreaming of extraordinary adventures.